Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the brush cap from the first brush. I'll remove the brush cap with a screwdriver. With the cap removed, I can remove the brush. To install the first brush, I align it with the brush holder and slide it in. Then I place the brush cap over the top of the brush and compress the spring. To make sure the threads are aligned so I don't cross-thread the brush cap, I'll turn it reverse first. Once the threads align, I'll tighten it up. And I'll be careful to not over-tighten it so I don't damage the brush cap. I'll repeat this on the other side. And that's all it takes to install a new set of brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.